welcome. I've just got a really fun little idea for you. It's quick. It's probably the quickest project you could make. It is just cute as can be, and it's this little skirt. And we're using pattern number 225, which is new. It's Celine's asymmetrical, it's Nita's top and Celine's asymmetrical skirt. They come in one pattern, 225. So let me walk you through it because first I want to show you the inspiration. I saw this picture and what I noticed is it's a great way to use a border print or a panel. And y'all know I love border prints. I love panels. I just think they make really good looking outfits. And so notice the monochromatic at the top. Now this is one piece, but it doesn't have to be. It could be broken up into two is what I started thinking. So then I started thinking about this skirt pattern and then using a border print to go with it. So I want to show you these two pictures while they're together. The first is the one that's here on the mannequin, so you can see it a little closer up. And the second one is the one I have on, which I love. Both border prints, both being used just in such a cool way. So very easy to do. This pattern is basically like a yoga skirt. The waist of the skirt, or it sits below your waist or at your waist. It's up to you as to where you want to put it. Just adjust your size for where you want to wear it. Like if you want to wear it below your waist, measure where you want to wear it and then choose that size. There's no fitting down in the bottom half, so it wouldn't make a difference. So then we're going to go to our fabric, and we've got several of these We've got several of these panel prints, we call them, and these panel prints are basically a yard from point A to point B. And what you're going to do is you'll have to get 2 yards, and it doesn't matter because most panels are every yard. They repeat after every yard. So you have to get 2 yards because you want to include this part of the panel and this part of the panel, and you'll put the fold right here, and then you'll lay your pattern right on the fold. And be sure to get these two evenly. And then what it will do is create this great panel or this border that goes all the way around the bottom. And it's just fun and just easy. And that's as hard as it gets. This is not rocket science, but the sewing is so simple. You know, you've got to hem around the whole bottom, but you know what? It's a knit, and if you decided you didn't want to hem, you could just leave it. It's just fun. I can't tell you how feminine it feels. So if you're wondering what to sew, this is it. We've got 3 different panels going right now. This one, and I put the numbers up on those pictures. So the goal is happy sewing, fun sewing, quick sewing from Silhouette Patterns.